Uh, hey people, so this is, we just now, these are my rabbits enjoying being near the cooler, and it is just so cute to observe how human like they are. And I hope this lady doesn't decide to jump, this brown lady. Basically, we have three ladies on the bed. Ayush, you're surrounded by three women. Do you realize? Four women, including your mother. And it is just so entertaining, and this is called a Superman position, what this young lady in grey uh, is doing, where they are completely relaxing with air. And I feel at least three little rabbits are given a good home, and and see, this one is also about to do the Superman. So it's just so much fun to observe them. Yeah, it's like the best thing on earth to hug them. I'll put oil on this lady's ears. That would be a good thing, I think. So yeah. So this is how it is. This is a 1 minute video, but it's, and that white one is the youngest, and they are just enjoying the cooler during this hot summer phase.